Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the University Grants Commission released one official public notice on the 15th October 2020 regarding the National Education Policy. So all of you know that by this NEP 2020, a huge transformation is going to happen in the Indian education system. So for that transformation under this National Educational Policy, here the UGC is requesting the suggestions and the feedback from the stakeholders. Okay, so based upon that one, here the official public notice is released. So kindly refer to my earlier letter on 1st October 2020 regarding consultation process for implementation of the National Education Policy 2020, requesting you to give wide publicity among the stakeholders for sending their feedbacks as well as the suggestions in this regard. So I would like to inform you that the discussion on outline of the implementation plan on NEP 2020 is live on MyGov portal at this link, and the last date to submit the feedback, currently till 18th October 2020, has been extended up to 31st October 2020. So by this month end, whatever the feedbacks or the suggestions you want to give for this National Education Policy points, I will show you those points, guys. Okay, so you can refer all those one, and where you have to update or where you have to give your feedbacks or the suggestions, that one also I will show you. And you are requested to kindly give wide publicity amongst the faculty and the other stakeholders in your university for sending their feedback suggestions on My Government portal. The two banners in this regard which may be utilized for publicity on the website of universities institutions by linking it to the above link are also enclosed. So here on behalf of the University Grants Commissions through my YouTube channel, I am also doing the publicity regarding this one. So please share this information to your co-students or the friends or the colleagues, okay, to give the maximum feedbacks or the suggestions regarding this National Education Policy. So really it is going to bring some huge transformation in the Indian education system. So whatever the link given here, innovateindia.mygov.in, so click on that one. Then the suggestions invited for the implementation of National Education Policy 2020. So you will be directed here. You can give your suggestions here, guys. So before giving the suggestions, once again, you may refer here. So the NEP inter alia includes the number of recommendations which will transform the higher education in India, and the silent features of this NEP 2020 are given here. So increasing the GR in higher education to 50%, and the holistic multidisciplinary education with the multiple entry or exit options are given here. So for UG program 3 or 4 years, and for the PG program 1 or 2 years. And coming to the integrated 5-year bachelor's or the master's degree is also provided. Okay, and no hard separations between the arts and sciences, between the curricular and the extracurricular activities, between vocational and the academic streams. And the NTA to offer the common entrance examination for admission into the higher education institutions, and the establishment of academic bank of credit, and the setting up of multidisciplinary education and the research universities, and the setting up of the National Research Foundation, and the light but tight regulation, okay, and the single overarching umbrella body for promotion of higher education sector, including teacher education and excluding medical and the legal education, and the expansion of the open and distance learning to increase the GER, and internationalization of the education. Professional education will be an integral part of the higher education system. And the teacher education, 4-year integrated state specific, subject specific Bachelor of Education, establishing a national mission for mentoring, and equitable and inclusive education, a separate gender inclusion fund, and special education zones for disadvantaged religions and the groups, exposure of the vocational education in school and higher education system, and the creation of an autonomous body, achieving 100% youth and adult literacy, and multiple mechanisms with checks and balance will combat and stop the commercialization of higher education, and all education institutions will be held to similar standards of audit and disclosure as a not-for-profit entity. The center and the states will work together to increase the public investment in education sector to reach 6% of the GDP at the earliest. So these are the points, guys. So in Hindi and in English, both these two languages mentioned here. So you may go through these points, and if you want to give any feedbacks or the suggestions, you can give, guys. And the last date is the 31st October 2020. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues as maximum as possible. And whatever the suggestions or the feedbacks or the modifications, if you want to give, then please update, guys. Okay. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018 and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.